Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, JDK 17 or newer and administrator access. Once installed, open Command Prompt as administrator so you can set environment values. Now set Java Home to the JDK folder using set Java Home equals C, \program files \java JDK 17. This is temporary for the session. Also add the bin folder to path for this session with set path equals %java home %bin, %path%. These steps let you run Java and Javac immediately. They avoid restarting Windows while you test commands. Once the path is set, change directory to your source files, cdc \path to \project. Then compile with javac main. Java, if there are errors, read the line numbers and messages to fix imports or syntax. After a successful compile, run the class with Java main and observe output immediately. If you use packages, run from the parent folder and include the package name. Make sure to use Java version to confirm the runtime matches the JDK you expect before debugging further. To finish, persist environment settings so every command prompt session sees Java. Use setx Java Home C, \program files \java JDK 17, and setx path %java home %bin, %path%. Then close and reopen CMD. If commands still fail, troubleshoot by running Java version and echo %java home % to verify values. Also check that the JDK folder has proper permissions. If you see a path truncation, edit environment variables via system settings and append the bin path manually. That resolves most persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.